Okay, this is AQA SS1B and we're looking at question 4 for June 2015. Basically, I'm going to try and run through this as quickly as possible. So ideally, you should have read the question and attempted it. So please put it on pause and have a go at it. First thing you have to do is to complete the table. So basically, they've half started it for you. So the difference between those two is 0.72. Difference between these two is 0.4. Difference between those two is 0.24. Now we can do this one, which means I can get this one. Okay, that should be the easiest marks you ever come across. Hence or otherwise, find the probability on any given day. Friday, Chris buys exactly one newspaper. If he only buys one newspaper, he either buys the morning one and not the evening one, and he would buy the evening one and not the morning one. So 0.12. Add those together, it gives you 0.36. That's the answer for the first bit. Then it says mutually exclusive. Okay, if something is mutually exclusive, then it looks like this. The two things cannot happen together. Okay, so if this was true, then they wouldn't overlap. So M intersect E would have to equal 0 if it was true. But we can see that this equals 0.16. Therefore, not mutually exclusive. Okay. Next bit can get a bit confusing, so I'm just going to try and get rid of this because we don't need it. Okay, so you have now introduced two other factors, Saturday morning and Sunday morning, with letters that don't make sense, S and T. Find the possibility that you buy all four. So the first two are independent of the other two, okay, but S and T aren't independent. So you're going to buy Friday morning and Friday afternoon, evening, so you got that. You're also going to buy Sunday and Saturday, so you want to add to that. So you've got M and E together with, or was it that way around? All four, yeah, that's right. Together with S and T. Or no, is it the other way? That way. And as well as, so intersecting. So you want to get all of them, and that is S, not S dash. So from the formula about given that, if I do the probability of T given that you're S is the probability of T intersect S all over the probability of S. So you remember that there's given you are S, what's the probability of being both, or being T given that you're S, so it's that. This formula is in the formula book in the rearranged version, which is like this. So algebraically, you're just multiplying through by the probability of S on the bottom. And this is the thing we want, because it doesn't matter which way around it is. So we've got T given S, and we've got S. So the probability of all of them is the 0.16 times the answer to this, which is 0.17, because they're independent, so you're multiplying. So 0.16 times 0.17 is 0.0272. Okay, then none of them. This is very similar. It's a bit weird. So I'm going to delete a few things. I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm going to get rid of this. Because what I'm going to do is just put some dashes in. So we want to get none of the points. So we're not going to get Monday morning, we're not going to, Friday morning, we're not going to get Friday evening, we're not going to get Saturday, we're not going to get Sunday, which means we need all nots going on here. And a bit of common sense hopefully will help you. So not Monday, not Friday gives me 0.48. But we're going to times together with that whatever we get off of here. So not Saturday or not Saturday, not Sunday is the same as not this. So we have buying Sunday given that we didn't get Saturday. But the alternative to that is that not buying Sunday given we didn't get, because you can't have anything else. So it's 1 minus that, which gives us 0.25. And then not Saturday is 1 minus that, which is 0.15. So our answer to that is, without having to use my calculator, 0.018. Brilliant. Now, then the final bit is also a little bit weird. So you just first of all have to decide what that means. And they want you to put a bit of common sense in it. And it's a bit like when they say not female, you're actually saying, oh, they're male then. Okay? So give a bit of thought. So this means you buy the Friday morning, you don't buy Friday evening. You buy Saturday, you don't buy Sunday. So you're actually buying Friday morning's paper and Saturday's paper, and that's all they really needed to know. But you can write it all down if you just want to be careful. Then calculating it, you've got M intersect E, intersect a Saturday given Sunday. So this first bit is M and E. Not E. And Saturday, not Sunday. So M not E is 0.24. And you're going to times that with this one. So again, you want Saturday and not Sunday. So going back to that other formula, this would, I can only do it from the given that side. No, we have to do it the other way around. So I am T given S equals a probability of T given that one over the probability of S. So I want not T, so we want not T, not T. But, so to get that one, I need to do the probability of not T given S times the probability of S. The probability of not T given your S is the other side of this one, which is 0.8, and we have to times it by the other, this one, which is 0.85. So that gives me 0.1632, and that's it.